How to report spam or scams in WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to report spam or scams on WhatsApp to keep yourself and others safe. It's quick and easy. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on your device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the person or number you want to report. Then tap the contact's name or number at the top to open their info. Now scroll down and tap on report contact. You can also choose to block the contact and delete the chat to avoid any further messages. Finally, confirm your report. WhatsApp will review the report and take necessary action. And that's it. This is how you report spam or scams on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.